Hello there, everybody out there in YouTube land. Today was the 1 week since my sesamoidectomy, the removal of the medial sesamoid bone in my right foot. It was also my first post-op, so I figured I'd make an update about that. I haven't made an update in a few days. Not because I'm lazy, actually I am kind of lazy, but there was nothing really to report. Basically, I've been, I don't know, blessed or what, I have had no pain. Maybe a little bit of burning in the incision area, but pretty much no pain at all. And I have actually started kind of hobbling on the heel of my right foot, which I guess I'm not supposed to do, but today they gave me the okay to do that. They're like, oh, you can start doing that now. So I was thinking, oh, well, that's good to know. But I guess I'll start from the beginning. So I went to the orthopedic practice that I got this surgery through today, and I thought I was at least going to see a surgeon or a doctor or something. I didn't see anybody. I just saw a tech. They just kind of had me go into the cast room, and they clipped off my surgical dressing and started cleaning me off. And this was the first time I had even seen the incision. It's about yay long. I actually took a picture with my phone in between bandages. She walked away to get a new bandage, and I snapped a couple of pictures real quick with my phone. It's not crazy, it's not gory or anything like that. It's just a little incision about that long, and the surgeon actually marked it with like a purple marker, the same purple marker he signed his name on my leg with to be absolutely positive he was operating on the right foot. You know, I think that's kind of a concern in the medical field. So it's kind of hard to tell where the sutures are and which are sutures and which are thin lines drawn by the surgeon with his little purple marker, which is whatever, you know. He does what he's got to do. And it was a little bit anticlimactic. I thought it would be a little bigger or hairier, but just a little cut. And it was very not painful at all. There was a little bit of burning when they wiped the isopropylene alcohol on there, which is normal, a little bit tender, but they just rewrapped it with some ace bandage and kind of put like a tube sock over it that they cut the end off of and sent me on my merry way. But I guess the doctor did have a note for them, and they gave me instructions. They told me I'm allowed to start kind of putting weight on the heel or the outside of the foot, which is good that I'm allowed to do that, because I had already kind of started doing that. But I'm hoping, you know, I'm not going to actually, my next post-op is not for another 2 weeks or something. So I think at that point they're going to take the stitches out, and then I should be able to, once the stitches are gone, they said that I should be able to shower without using a bag over my foot. I actually bought like it's not in arm's reach at the moment, but I bought basically it's like a sleeve that, or like a single pant leg that you pull up, and it's got like rubber at the top that seals your whole leg in to keep everything dry. So I have been showering with that, but supposedly once the stitches are removed, I'll be able to shower without any, I won't have any dressing, I guess, and I'll be able to shower without covering it, keeping it dry. So that'll be nice. That'll be in 2 weeks. I might have an update between now and then if something happens or whatever. But so far it's just been smooth sailing, so I'm really grateful for that, and glad there's been no complications. I'm glad that there's not been any pain. I got a lot to be thankful for. So that's my 1 week update. I might make another video at some point between now and the next post-op, but until then,